रहीम फ्लोरल कैरेक्टर ऑफ फैमिली Fabaceae। आज के लेक्चर में हम फैमिली Fabaceae के फ्लोरल कैरेक्टर पढ़ेंगे, जिसको आम इस्तेलाह में फैमिली Zygomatic और पिपेलियोनेरी भी कहा जाता है। First of all, we want to study the inflorescence. The inflorescence is actually the group of flower on the main axis. If we consider this is the main axis of the plant, here a group of flower is found which is known as inflorescence. In the family Fabaceae, the inflorescence is racemose type. In racemose type of inflorescence, the old flower are occur in the bottom while the younger flower are occur in the top. In simple word we say ascending order. Ascending order. The flower opening in ascending order. The old on the bottom while the new on the tops, which is also known as acropetal condition. The acropetal condition are those conditions in which the old flower are present on the bottom while the new flower present on the top. This family also having solitary axillary flower. Solitary axillary flower, the main axis which is also known as life axis, having single flower. Single flower on life axis. The flower main axis having a single flower. This family also include this type of flower. The flower is bisexually, which means the Androecium and Gynesium are found in the single flower. In other words, we say hermaphrodite flowers. The bisexual condition is symbolically represented by this symbol, which is the symbolical representation of bisexual flower. This family having zygomorphic flowers. The zygomorphic flower is also known as bilateral, which can cut on single flame. Which can cut on single flame. And the zygomorphic condition is symbolically represented by this symbol. Symbolically represented by this symbol. The flower of this family is brachiated flower, which having a bracket-like structure of sepal on lower portion. The next, this flower are pedicellate, which having pedicel, pedicellated flower. These flower having hypogynous condition. The hypogynous condition means the ovary are superior from other parts. If we consider the diagram, in this diagram, these are sepal, these are petal, and these are the stamens are Androecium. If we observe the ovary are superior to these all of these parts. This condition is known as hypogynous condition or hypogynous ovary. And this is symbolically represented by a symbol G under slash. G under slash, which means that the ovary are hypogynous. And sometimes the ovary are perigynous. Perigynous means that the stamen, petals and sepals appear to be start from the middle portion of the ovary. The condition in which the sepal, petals and stamens appear to be start from the middle of the ovary. This condition is known as perigynous condition, and it is symbolically represented by this symbol, which is also known as sepal, the green leaves. There are 5 in number, the calyx are 5 in number, and these calyx are fused, which is known as gamocephalous. Fused sepals. This family is also have a condition which is called pipilionaceous condition. The pipilionaceous condition are those conditions in which the flower give the appearance of butterfly. In other words, we say the butterfly-like appearance is known as pipilionaceous condition. These 5 calyx are divided into 3 portions. Number first, which are a single one, which is called vexillum and also known as standard. The next two which are found on lateral side are free, which is called wings, and the two which are occur below are fused with each other and give boot-like structure, which is called keel or carina, which is known as keel or carina. Now, diagrammatically, this single one, which is known as vexillum or stendal. These are two which are found on lateral side, known as wings, and the two which are occur on lower side and give the appearance of boot are called keel or carina. Symbolically, we represent in floral diagram one which represent the vexillum, two which represent the wings, and two inside bracket represent the keel or carina. Androecium as the male reproductive unit. The family Fabaceae having 10 stamens, their androecium and floor are composed of 10 stamens. These stamens are attached in a condition which is called diadelphous condition. Diadelphous condition. Diadelphous condition means that the stamens are attached in two groups. These stamens are fused while the 10 are free, which is called diadelphous condition. If we consider a diagram, in this diagram, these 9 stamens are attached, are fused stamens, and the 10th one is free. This condition is called diadelphous condition, and it is symbolically represent in floral diagram 9 inside bracket, which means that 9 stamens are fused and 1 are free, which means the 10 are free. Now, the Gynesium. The Gynesium is the female reproductive unit of plants. This family, Fabaceae, are monocarpellary, which means they have single carpel or ovary. They have single ovary. They are uninuclear, which means that the ovary having a single chamber. Uninuclear means that the ovary have single chamber. And they have marginal placentation. Marginal placentation means that the one side of ovary ovule are attached. On one margin, the ovule are attached. This is called marginal placentation. If we consider the free part, in the free part, the seeds are attached on a single side. This target is due to the marginal placentation. This is due to the marginal placentation.